Welcome to the future of 5G connectivity. CSPTek VST Core presents a unified VSA framework tailored for both academic breakthroughs and industrial validation, making complex 5G NR analysis accessible and efficient. Our core advantage lies in versatility. Whether you're utilizing SDR platforms like EDIS USRP or high-end instruments from Keysight and Tektronix, our software framework acts as a low-cost, unified bridge supporting 5G NR, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more. Looking at the 5G NR interface, we've organized it into three functional zones: the configuration hub for settings, the primary visualizer for real-time plotting, and the analytical dashboard for deep dive modulation metrics. Flexibility is key in core configuration. In the hardware domain, you can adjust central frequency and sampling rates, while the protocol domain allows for precise settings of bandwidth, numerology, and standard test models like TM1.1. To ensure data integrity, we offer advanced signal processing, featuring 3 GPP EVM equalizers, symbol phase compensation, and phase noise tracking essential for FR2 limits, ensuring perfect synchronization and carrier alignment. Our 6-dimensional dashboard is a game changer. It integrates spectrum, capture buffer, constellation, resource grid, IQPAPR, and CFR, providing a holistic view of signal health at a glance. We analyze the spectrum domain to validate RF emissions and key power metrics. Simultaneously, the capture buffer logs raw time domain waveforms for offline VSA or deep transient analysis. For precision, the constellation diagram facilitates detailed EVM and IQ imbalance detection. Meanwhile, the resource grid visualizes subcarrier allocation and OFDM symbol distribution across your bandwidth. We evaluate amplifier linearity using PAPR metrics and assess the impact of multipath fading and distortions through the channel frequency response (CFR). In this 5G NR OTA testbed, we demonstrate a complete end-to-end link from USRP transmission through an upconverter and beamformer to the receiver. Even in a real RF environment, the system achieves a clear 64 QAM constellation and excellent EVM results, proving that VST Core is ready for rigorous field testing. For high-frequency 5G FR2 mmWave testing, we utilized a dual software architecture for benchmarking. The results show that VST Core is highly correlated with the industry standard Keysight 89600 VSA, delivering industrial-grade precision in metrics like PUSH, EVM, and CFO. VST Core is your most reliable partner for mmWave research. Now we will transition to a live software-hardware integration test, featuring the CSPTek VST Core 5G NR software paired with USRP B210 units. In this setup, a single workstation is connected to 2 USRP B210s, establishing a complete end-to-end transmitter and receiver link. We begin by launching the CSPTek VST Core Unified Framework. From the main dashboard, we perform the hardware initialization for the B210 units to ensure seamless communication. Once the hardware is ready, we select the 5G NR module to access the core analysis environment. In this live demonstration scenario, we designate specific roles for our hardware. One USRP is configured as the transmitter, VSG, to generate the 5G waveform, while the other acts as a receiver, VSA, for real-time capture and diagnostic analysis. We then navigate to the parameter setting zone to meticulously define the 5G NR signal characteristics. This section allows us to select the direction, specify the bandwidth, and set the numerology in strict accordance with 3 GPP specifications. Furthermore, we can choose standard test models to ensure the signal adheres to industrial validation requirements. With the configuration complete, we initiate signal generation and real-time analysis. The 6-dimensional analysis dashboard immediately populates with critical data, such as constellation diagrams, resource grids, and EVM metrics, demonstrating the system's robust performance and precision in a real-world wireless environment. Stop building test beds and start building the future of 5G. CSPTek delivers industrial-grade validation and seamless transitions from standard 5G to custom OFDM. Scan the QR code to access our full framework documentation today.